Let's check back in tonight with Storm Watch 12's Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman to see what we can expect for the rest of the week. Matt.
Well, it's going to get a lot more active here as far as rain and snow is concerned. Here's a look at the big picture across the west coast. There's a weak little disturbance, one dropping south now through southern Oregon and northern California. We have mostly cloudy skies, a weak area of low pressure to our south and west. And we may see a brief shower or sprinkle, a snow shower up in our higher elevations overnight into tomorrow in our region. But the main system we're watching is further off to the west. This is what's going to move in for Valentine's Day. Zooming in to our region, a lot of cloud cover out there. There may be a few flurries up in northern portions of Klamath and Lake County moving through. That's about it. But all in all, it's going to be fairly quiet through your Tuesday for Mardi Gras. Temperatures will be running even a little bit above normal for tomorrow. Temperatures this hour, we're at 43 in Medford. It's 35 degrees right now in Montague, 28 in Klamath Falls, and it's 25 in Lakeview. Taking a look at your forecast for tonight, temperatures dropping a little bit more, but holding fairly steady for the most part on the east side, especially as those clouds continue to thicken up. As we take a look at tomorrow for your Tuesday, 47 for a high in Klamath Falls, well into the 50s for most of our west side valleys, up to 53 in Brookings. May see a stray light rain or mountain snow shower. Most of us, though, will stay dry tomorrow. Rain from this main system will start to move in along the coast, though, late in the evening. And then it's going to be a wet and windy Valentine's Day for the region. A stronger gust expected for the coast and our higher elevation areas. But notice the cooler temperatures as well, with cloudy skies and rain and snow. Snow mainly accumulating above 4,000 feet. Snow levels will range between about 4,000 to 5,000 feet or so through Wednesday and Thursday. This storm system will last a couple of days, but the main focus for the heaviest precipitation will mainly be through Wednesday. And we have winter weather advisories in place for the Cascades and Siskiyous, the east side and southeast Siskiyou County above 4,500 feet, 10 p.m. tomorrow to 10 p.m. Wednesday. Heavy snow at times, also gusty winds will lead to some blowing snow in open areas. So that could make for some hazardous travel at times for your Wednesday. Snowfall amounts heaviest for the Cascades, especially up towards Crater Lake and Diamond Lake, where snow totals could push up over a foot at Crater Lake. But we will see at least a few inches for some of the higher passes east of the Cascades, 3 to 6 inches for Chemult. Likely not picking up anything in the city of Mount Shasta. We may see a dusting or so at Black Butte Summit, and then also maybe a trace to an inch at Siskiyou Summit. But I-5 not expecting much significant impact, but higher passes along and east of the Cascades definitely will. Now, taking a look at Stormcast, notice tomorrow fairly quiet, skies turning partly cloudy in the afternoon, a stray shower, but then here comes the moisture with this next storm system. Rain, heavy rain at times at the coast, snow impacting travel along and east of the Cascades. So a little bit dicey in Klamath Falls, a trace to an inch though, but we will see a change over to rain as those snow levels climb. More wet weather impacting the region for tomorrow night, for Wednesday night rather, and then on into Thursday before the system really starts to depart by the end of the day Thursday. Rainfall totals expected. Definitely the coast and the coastal mountains seeing some of the heaviest rainfall totals through Thursday. 1 to 3 inches, maybe locally higher, but beneficial precipitation expected across southern Oregon and northern California. Your 7-day forecast for the coast: rain heavy at times Wednesday into Thursday. Winds will be gusty as well for northern California. Rain, mountain snow impacting Siskiyou County. Some gusty winds expected, especially in some of the higher terrain. The Klamath Basin seeing a wintry mix on your day Wednesday for Valentine's Day, but definitely seeing some higher snowfall amounts, especially above 4,500 feet for the east side. The mountains, snow will make for some difficult travel Wednesday into Thursday for the Cascades. And then we're going to be tracking some more storm systems this weekend into early next week. For the Rogue Valley, a dry day tomorrow, mild temperatures, but definitely cooler, wet, and breezy for your Valentine's Day, and tracking some more rain. Have that umbrella handy on your Thursday as well.